The Chartered Institute of Project Managers of Nigeria (CIPMN) will commence regulatory enforcement in Abuja and Lagos on April 1. The Registrar CIPMN Mbadiwe disclosed this at the news conference shortly after the inauguration of the body's new governing council in Abuja. Despite April 1 is known world over as April Fool's Day, the CIPMN Chief Executive Officer did not mince words when he threatened to go all out for defaulters irrespective of their status or influence for the overall benefit of the country. He said the institute, established by an Act of National Assembly and recognized by the President, was mandated to ensure that all project managers in Nigeria were licensed.
Time goes on, following this new year and next year, you see a lot of higher education institutions running project management courses. So we begin to groom project managers from BSc level all the way to postgraduate level.
He also spoke on successes recorded and some bottlenecks experienced.
One of our major challenges, penetration across the different geopolitical zones in the country. Our council composition is that we have a council member representing all 6 geopolitical zones in Nigeria, and we are hoping that this year we'll be able to work with these council members to push or to drive the CIPMN mandate across 6 geopolitical zones.
Mr. Mbadiwe also enlightened Nigerians on the rules of CIPMN.
Project management is not about construction. There is a project in every part of the economy, whether it is in finance, whether it is in education, whether it is in healthcare. Think of any ministry in this country. They all deliver one project or another. And as long as you deliver a project in Nigeria, a project manager is supposed to lead that project. That's the law.
The CIPMN boss further noted that regulations made by CIPMN would be gazetted and enforced as laws. CNN News.